This is the GOAT. Ooh, banana Leclerc. Today we're going to be talking about the GOAT. The diet is of a farm animal, so it's a herbivore, meaning that it mostly consumes grass, and it lives near grass, something that you should definitely touch once in a while. I go to the bathroom. The grass first goes into the esophagus to be transported to the stomach. A process called peristalsis forces the food in and back up so that it doesn't go astray. Then it goes into the rumen. The rumen secretes fungi, bacteria, and protozoa to absorb volatile nutrients like fatty acids and turn them into vitamin C and vitamin K. The rumen then pushes the food to the reticulum. The reticulum is like a filter which separates small pieces of food from big pieces of food. The small food is put to the next compartment, but the big food is thrown back up the esophagus to the mouth to chew again to make it weaker so the rumen can absorb more. This is called rumination and is practiced across a lot of farm animals like cows. They're also called ruminants. The goat does this for about 3 or 4 times or until the food is completely absorbed and small enough for digestion. And then it's pushed to the next compartment, the omasum. This compartment's interior linings are made of leaf-like structures that are used to mechanically grind food to squeeze water and a few other nutrients out of the food. Once successfully palpitated, the food goes into the abomasum, the final part of the stomach. It is called a true stomach because this is where most of the digestion happens. Just like humans, hydrochloric acid and pepsin are used to help break the food down. And then it goes to the small intestine where the rest of the nutrients absorb. Just like humans, they also consist of a duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The cecum is a sac where the food loses its salt and breaks down fibers. It is then put to the large intestine where the water is absorbed by E. coli and the waste is created and pushed out through the anus. Hope y'all learned something new today, and hope y'all know that the GOAT is the GOAT. The GOAT.